First, it is important to understand why the Tesla Model 2 has generated such intense interest around the world. More than simply introducing another electric vehicle, the project represents the possibility of transforming the way society perceives electric transportation. For a long time, EVs were associated with premium prices and were considered products designed primarily for buyers with greater financial resources. The Model 2, however, is expected to change that perception by offering a more affordable option while preserving the technological innovation that has established Tesla as one of the leading names in the automotive industry. What makes this initiative especially significant is its broader objective. Instead of concentrating exclusively on larger, more luxurious vehicles filled with increasingly advanced technologies, Tesla appears to be prioritizing a challenge with far greater long-term importance, making electric mobility attainable for everyday drivers. This strategic direction suggests that the next stage of the automotive revolution will depend not only on groundbreaking engineering, but also on offering vehicles that fit the financial reality of average households. Over the past several years, demand for electric vehicles has expanded at an impressive pace. Even so, one major obstacle has consistently limited wider adoption: affordability. Many consumers appreciate the environmental benefits and technological advantages of EVs and would gladly replace their gasoline-powered vehicles, yet the purchase price often discourages them. The issue has never been a lack of enthusiasm for the technology itself, but rather the difficulty of finding an electric car that comfortably fits within the budgets of workers, educators, students, retirees, and families carefully managing their monthly expenses. Within this context, the Tesla Model 2 takes on special importance. If current expectations prove accurate, the vehicle could become much more than another addition to Tesla's lineup. It has the potential to mark the beginning of a new chapter for the automotive sector, where electric vehicles become a realistic choice for millions instead of remaining an aspiration for only a limited group of buyers. This possibility explains why industry analysts, investors, and EV enthusiasts closely monitor every rumor and development surrounding the project, recognizing that its impact could extend far beyond the release of a single model. Another reason expectations continue to rise is the evolution of consumer priorities. In the early years of electric vehicles, features such as rapid acceleration, oversized touchscreen displays, and battery-powered driving were enough to capture public attention. Today's buyers, however, evaluate vehicles from a much more practical perspective. They want to understand long-term maintenance costs, battery lifespan, charging convenience, service availability, and whether an electric vehicle can genuinely replace a traditional car without disrupting everyday routines. These concerns demonstrate how much the market has matured. The excitement surrounding new technology has gradually been replaced by a demand for practical, dependable transportation. Modern consumers expect a vehicle that performs well during daily commuting, family errands, school runs, grocery shopping, and weekend travel, while maintaining reliability and safety in every situation. The Model 2's long-term success will depend on how effectively it satisfies these real-world expectations, while remaining simple to own and economically sustainable. A significant portion of the speculation surrounding the Model 2 also stems from developments at Tesla's Gigafactory in Texas, one of the company's most strategically important production facilities. Although Tesla rarely reveals details about future products ahead of schedule, numerous analysts believe that recent modifications inside the factory point toward preparations for manufacturing a completely new vehicle. Whenever production equipment changes, assembly lines are reorganized, or new operational areas begin functioning. Industry observers naturally interpret these developments as signs that a major project is advancing behind the scenes. If these assumptions are accurate, the Model 2 has already progressed beyond the conceptual stage frequently discussed online. It may already be influencing Tesla's manufacturing strategy on a large scale. Producing an affordable electric vehicle requires much more than designing an attractive automobile. It involves redesigning production systems, lowering manufacturing costs, improving operational efficiency, and creating a supply chain capable of supporting production volumes far greater than those of Tesla's existing models. Achieving this level of industrial transformation could become one of the company's most demanding challenges since its inception. The possibility of an affordable Tesla also carries considerable symbolic importance. Throughout its history, the company has built a brand associated with innovation, exceptional performance, and advanced technology. Nevertheless, many potential customers have continued to view Tesla vehicles as products beyond their financial reach. Introducing a compact model with a substantially lower price could reshape that perception, allowing the brand to reach a much broader audience while reinforcing its leadership role in the worldwide transition toward electric mobility. Despite this opportunity, developing a lower-cost vehicle without sacrificing quality may represent Tesla's greatest engineering and manufacturing challenge so far. Creating futuristic concepts often captures headlines, but mass-producing millions of dependable, efficient, and reasonably priced vehicles requires an entirely different level of execution. The ultimate success of the Model 2 will depend on achieving a careful balance between innovation, production efficiency, durability, affordability, and customer satisfaction. If Tesla succeeds in combining all of these elements, the company could redefine what consumers expect from entry-level electric vehicles and significantly influence the future direction of the global automotive industry. Designing an electric vehicle with an affordable price tag demands careful engineering choices across every stage of development. Among the most critical components is the electric motor, which converts the battery's stored energy into propulsion. While consumers often pay closer attention to factors such as driving range or acceleration, the motor plays a much broader role. Its design directly affects energy efficiency, production expenses, long-term durability, and the ability to manufacture vehicles at high volumes. For this reason, numerous reports suggest that Tesla may be developing a completely new motor architecture for the Model 2. Aiming to lower manufacturing costs while preserving the performance and efficiency for which the company is recognized. One of the most widely discussed possibilities is the adoption of an permanent magnet motor that operates without relying on rare earth elements. At first glance, this may appear to be a minor technical adjustment, but its implications could extend throughout the global automotive supply chain. Many of today's electric motors depend on materials such as neodymium and dysprosium because of their exceptional magnetic characteristics, which help maximize efficiency. However, these minerals are also associated with high extraction costs, environmental concerns, and limited global availability. Reliance on rare earth materials has gradually become a strategic concern for automakers worldwide. A substantial portion of the refining and processing of these resources is concentrated in only a handful of countries, particularly China. As a result, manufacturers remain vulnerable to geopolitical tensions, trade disputes, and fluctuations in material prices. Whenever disruptions occur within the supply chain, production costs can increase rapidly. Developing a motor that no longer depends on these resources would provide considerably greater flexibility, allowing manufacturers to scale production with less exposure to global supply uncertainties. Should Tesla successfully commercialize such a motor, the effects would likely reach far beyond a single vehicle. Competing automakers would undoubtedly study the technology closely, since reducing reliance on scarce and expensive materials offers both economic and strategic advantages. Beyond lowering production costs, this approach could simplify sourcing, stabilize manufacturing operations, and reduce the risk of interruptions caused by shortages or volatile commodity markets. In an industry where even modest savings per vehicle can translate into substantial competitive advantages, innovations of this scale have the potential to reshape market dynamics. Weight reduction represents another important benefit of a simplified motor design. A lighter and more compact powertrain decreases the vehicle's overall mass, generating improvements across several areas at once. With less weight to move, the car requires less energy during operation, reducing the demand placed on the battery while improving overall efficiency. In many cases, these gains can even increase driving range without requiring a larger battery pack. This demonstrates how optimizing a single component can positively influence multiple aspects of vehicle performance. Industry specialists also believe that a redesigned motor could streamline Tesla's manufacturing process. Reducing the number of individual parts and simplifying assembly generally leads to faster production times and greater operational efficiency. This becomes especially important for a vehicle intended to reach the mass market. Producing hundreds of thousands or even millions of cars each year requires highly optimized assembly lines capable of maintaining quality while minimizing waste and production costs. Tesla has consistently pursued manufacturing simplification throughout its history, and many observers believe the Model 2 could represent the most advanced expression of that strategy. According to estimates published by several market analysts, an entirely new motor design could reduce manufacturing expenses by as much as 25% compared with more conventional electric propulsion systems. Although Tesla has not officially confirmed these projections, they help explain the intense interest surrounding the project. Savings on this scale could either finance improvements in other areas of the vehicle or allow Tesla to introduce the Model 2 at a significantly more competitive price, strengthening its position against both electric and traditional combustion-powered automobiles. Lowering production costs does not necessarily mean lowering standards. In fact, maintaining high quality while making a vehicle more affordable is one of the greatest engineering challenges Tesla must overcome. Even an entry-level model is expected to deliver responsive acceleration, smooth driving, quiet operation, and enough power to perform confidently on highways, during overtaking maneuvers, and in congested urban traffic. Consumers are unlikely to accept a vehicle that feels underpowered or outdated simply because it comes with a lower price tag. For that reason, every efficiency gain during development must preserve the driving experience that has become one of Tesla's defining characteristics. Most owners will probably never think about the sophisticated engineering hidden beneath the vehicle's exterior. Concepts such as magnetic materials, motor architecture, or advanced manufacturing techniques are largely invisible to the average driver. What they will notice, however, is how the car behaves on the road. Instant throttle response, efficient energy consumption, low maintenance requirements, and a quiet cabin all contribute to a feeling of refinement that cannot be measured solely by technical specifications. These real-world impressions are often what persuade drivers that switching from a combustion-powered vehicle to an electric one is a worthwhile decision. If Tesla succeeds in implementing this approach, the Model 2 could symbolize far more than an inexpensive electric car. It would demonstrate that genuine innovation is not limited to adding more features or increasing horsepower, but also involves designing smarter products that deliver better results while consuming fewer resources. Breakthroughs of this kind frequently influence the entire automotive industry, encouraging rival manufacturers to accelerate their own technological developments and helping reduce the overall cost of electric mobility. In that sense, a redesigned motor could become one of the key elements driving the industry's ongoing transformation. Among all the components of an electric vehicle, none has a greater influence on its final price than the battery pack. This explains why battery technology remains at the center of virtually every discussion surrounding the Tesla Model 2. Even if Tesla succeeds in lowering manufacturing expenses for the chassis, powertrain, and interior, achieving a truly affordable retail price will remain difficult if the battery continues to represent a disproportionately large share of production costs. Consequently, Many analysts believe that the success of the Model 2 will depend more on selecting the right battery technology than on simply reducing the vehicle's size. One of the leading candidates is the lithium iron phosphate battery, commonly referred to as LFP, compared with conventional battery chemistries that rely heavily on nickel and cobalt. LFP cells use a simpler chemical composition and require fewer costly raw materials. They also offer excellent thermal stability, making them an attractive option for high-volume production. For manufacturers targeting the mass market, every reduction in battery cost can translate into substantial savings across hundreds of thousands or even millions of vehicles, making LFP technology a compelling solution for an affordable electric model. For many years, lithium iron phosphate LFP batteries were often associated with entry-level electric vehicles and were considered less capable than other battery chemistries. That perception has changed significantly as continuous technological improvements have increased their energy density and overall performance. Today, numerous automakers rely on LFP packs in some of their highest volume models because they provide an attractive combination of affordability, durability, safety, and efficiency. If Tesla ultimately chooses this chemistry for the Model 2, it could substantially reduce manufacturing costs while still delivering the reliability customers have come to expect from the brand. Driving range is another topic receiving considerable attention. Industry speculation suggests the Model 2 may be capable of traveling between 250 and 300 miles on a single charge, or roughly 400 to 480 kilometers depending on driving conditions and usage patterns. Although these figures fall below the range offered by Tesla's premium vehicles, they comfortably satisfy the daily transportation needs of most drivers. The reality is that only a small percentage of motorists cover extremely long distances every day, making this level of autonomy more than adequate for ordinary use. Consider the routine of a typical family. During the week, the vehicle might be used for commuting to work, taking children to school, running errands, and shopping, while weekends could include visits to relatives or short road trips. Under these circumstances, a range approaching 300 miles is sufficient to eliminate much of the concern commonly referred to as range anxiety. Drivers can operate the vehicle much like a conventional gasoline-powered car without constantly monitoring the battery level. That sense of convenience and confidence plays an essential role in encouraging hesitant consumers to transition to electric mobility. Beyond practical range, LFP batteries are also recognized for their exceptional longevity.